18 foods with more protein than an egg. Think eggs are the ultimate protein source? Think again. A single egg packs 6.3 grams of protein, but these 18 foods have even more. Let's dive in. 1. Chicken breast has 23.8 grams of protein per serving. The king of lean protein, packed with all 9 essential amino acids, plus B vitamins and selenium to keep you strong. 2. Cottage cheese has 12.9 grams per serving. That's twice the protein of an egg, plus a healthy dose of calcium and B vitamins. 3. Chickpeas have 14.5 grams per serving. A plant-based powerhouse, rich in protein and fiber to keep you full and energized. 4. Almond butter has 6.7 grams per serving. A tasty protein-packed spread with healthy fats and magnesium. 5. Beef delivers 23 grams per serving, rich in iron and zinc, perfect for muscle growth and recovery. 6. Tuna has 21.7 grams per serving, high in omega-3 fatty acids for heart health. Canned tuna is a budget-friendly, protein-packed choice. 7. Turkey breast packs 20.1 grams per serving, lean, nutritious, and loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. 8. Edamame contains 18.4 grams per serving, a complete plant-based protein packed with fiber and antioxidants. 9. Salmon has 16.8 grams per serving, a powerhouse of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D for overall health. 10. Quinoa delivers 8.1 grams per serving, a gluten-free grain that's a complete protein, plus packed with antioxidants. 11. Almonds contain 6 grams per serving, a crunchy, high-protein snack with vitamin E and healthy fats. 12. Lentils boast 17.9 grams per serving, one of the best plant-based protein sources, also loaded with fiber. 13. Tofu has 9 grams per serving, a vegan protein staple that's rich in calcium and antioxidants. 14. Greek yogurt provides 13 grams per serving, thicker, creamier, and packed with protein to aid muscle recovery. 15. Black beans have 15 grams per serving, a fiber-rich, plant-based protein that keeps you full longer. 16. Parmesan cheese has 8.5 grams per serving, higher in protein than most cheeses, plus a great calcium source. 17. Pumpkin seeds pack 8.5 grams per serving, a crunchy protein-packed snack that supports mood and sleep. 18. Shrimp leads the list with 25 grams per serving, a low-calorie, high-protein option packed with antioxidants and vitamin B12. These foods don't just beat eggs and protein. They bring extra health benefits too. Add them to your diet and take your nutrition to the next level. Which one surprised you the most?